What is up, guys? Welcome yourselves back to a brand new video. What we're going to do today, well, you know what we're going to do today. Come on, let's not play about. I'm going to take off this Hulk wrap on the bonnet. It's finally going to be gone, and then once that's gone, you know, it's opening opportunities up as well for when we do rewrap the car. This again, it's going to be black underneath. That's what it originally was. It's going to give the car a completely new look until we do the rewrap. So let's do this.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you.
So Hulk is now gone, paint looking nice underneath. There's just a few bits of glue that you can see here, but that'll come up very, very, very easy. Again, there's some around here, but again, isopropanol alcohol will get that all up. So I will go over all that, but she's looking completely different, guys. completely different. I'm not sure if I actually prefer this or not. I think I actually do. I think she looks a lot better. Make sure you comment down below and let us know. Also as well, you will be seeing a lot more videos on the VXRs. Not just mine, Jack's as well. We've now decided to start doing bits that we can on his. So interior parts on mine and his. You know, everything basically that we can possibly do. So make sure you're looking out for videos on the VXR. My interior is going to get all resprayed, completely different. Even the pillar pod is going to get sprayed, so we're going to do that. As well. So she's finally all clean, all the glue is off. She looks absolutely awesome, completely different looking car now. So Jack's on his way up. It's going to be a VXR day, I think, today. So we'll see what happens. Jack is finally here. He's doing what he neglects all the time. He's actually cleaning the inside of his car out, which makes a change for Jack, to be fair. Hi. So what we're going to do today is, like I said, we're going to mess about with the VXRs a bit. It's going to be a VXR kind of day. Jack's going to get a new sun strip on his car. And again, this is going to get wrapped as well at some point in the future. So stand in line for that and get ready, because it's going to look like a beast. You will see us again, like I said, probably working on some interior bits on Jack's car. Interior bits on my car will come soon, but they're probably going to get sprayed instead. So we'll see where this video takes us. So let's crack on with this sun strip. For those of you wondering, Jack's actually going for a matte black sun strip.
Just for fun.
Just for fun, yes. Yes.
We've got a little bit left.
Yeah. Nothing wrong with that. Hi, people. If you're wondering what I'm doing, I'm actually using a clay mitt. This removes any imperfections in the glass. Any dirt, any grime. See, look, it's like washing your car. Before this, I have washed this top bit as well, just to let you know. But you want to make sure you're getting all them edges. Like so. Once you've done it once, do it again to make sure. So I've already cleaned this with isopropanol alcohol as well. What we're going to do now is, Jack's got a little stone chip there. Look, what we're going to do,
wait, I'm going to look.
Eh? Show him. Right here.
You know what that's from, don't you? It's for driving behind low cars.
I don't have a low car. So what we're going to do now, this is just a solution of some washing up liquid and some water. So what we're going to do, what are you laughing for, Jack? So
We know what that is.
Yeah, so what we're going to do here is just lightly spray it over. You're putting this under the vinyl, so now you've got that quite quick.
Quite.
quick. Done. Now what we're going to do now is we're going to get the tape measure and just measure down. You roughly want that between 8 and 10 inches. Any more than that, you're pretty much blocking your view. So we're going to measure that now and just make sure it's the same on each side. Put a bit of masking tape on. Jack already knows, love. You've seen me do this how many times? Once. Yeah, once. So you can see here, this is where we put the masking tape. You can now see it's going to be equal on each side because we've measured it from the window to the top. Now, you basically got to squeegee it, and I forgot the squeegees. I nearly tripped over that.
Idiot.
Hi. I don't know where my blade is. Where's my blade?
It's on the shelf.
Is it actually?
Yes.
It is. Thanking you. So once you've done this, squeegee, watch this. Are we ready? Look at that big bubble. And you might be like, why have you put water underneath it? Well, that is because it allows you to move it if you need to. So what we're going to do, speed this process up, and we'll get back to you. Jack! You why can't I smell that instantly? Please stop.
No.
Please stop putting me through this torture.
No.
So once that's done, Jack's fucking shooting ducks. You just want to go around your edges, cut it like slightly. You don't really have to press on. Jack's dying behind camera.
Oh.
You can suffer your own consequences, Jack. You filthy animal. You've fucking got problems. Oh! God, Jack! Oh my God. How am I supposed to work in this environment?
I don't know.
So while you're cutting this, just want to point out, just follow the actual window edge. I nearly said window ledge then for some reason. But window edge. You won't get a full, you won't get it to sit down fully until you've properly done the sun strip. Don't worry about little bits like that where it comes up either, because it does happen now and again.
And this trouble.
Say what?
Your hand it way.
I beg your pardon. Yeah, so again, don't worry about it folding up on itself. It will correct itself, it's just because it's under tension above as well. So as long as you're rough cutting the top bit, it ain't really going to matter because you can correct it again later on down the line. You can get like a proper fresh cut. It's just really to get rid of this excess above. Like this. That's stuck in my beard then. Actually stuck to my beard.
What, the fart or the wrap?
The wrap. So, once you've done that, see how we can move it still? See there? That's a good thing, that's why we put the water underneath. So, if you are doing this, make sure you don't use your wipers. Make sure it's on a decent day, even though we haven't done it on a decent day.
No, we're stupid.
Yeah, but once you've gone over that, you can pull it all aside. Just make sure there's nothing left underneath, no water. You can adjust it as and when needed as well. So like so. other bits you can off-cut as well. So what we're going to do now is, that is pretty much done. We're going to cut the camera, and then we're going to just shape it up and then show you guys when it's done. But that is pretty much how you do a sunstrip. Very, very simple, very, very easy. Matte black sunstrip now done. You can use a heat gun on this as well to dry it off a little bit more, which we are going to do off camera. You can see that it's all nice and clean until I put my grubby fingers on it. Look. But it looks really, really nice. Nothing underneath it, as you can see. No bubbles, no nothing. So you guys can do that yourselves. Very, very easy, very, very simple. Just keep practicing. Get some vinyl, cut some pieces out and keep doing it. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to switch the badge on the back of Jack's VXR from his old one, which I happen to have right here, to a new one, which is black and blue. Now, this is not...
Face is good.
Shut up. Yeah, somebody's is. But there's not any hints here, by the way, as to what wrap colour Jack is going at all. We're just going to do some bits to his car. There is some little things that we are going to do to his car later on down the line that will tie in. But again, you'll have to decide yourself if you think it's going to tie in or not. Or if you think we're just doing it because we're bored. So, you know, let us know. But you are going to see more videos on Jack's car. We've kind of neglected this a little bit. But we are going to start doing bits of this as well. So it's going to be like an all fresh new canvas.
Oh, I've missed the air. Wait.
What have you done?
Missed the hole in the arm.
You're very special.
I've had a busy day.
Did you know somebody commented earlier?
Yeah?
Right. You've not seen this comment, but I'm going to get your reaction straight away. Somebody asked if we were a couple. Oh, Jack wishes.
No, I'm good.
No, that face then was like, yes. Yes, I do. The VXR's still stripped.
It's not going to go back, is it?
Still stripped. Yeah, but we could change it. But no, it looks. I think it looks 10 times better, to be fair. Let me just give him a little detour while you're getting the hole out of the R. Well, you can wait now.
Well, I'm going to stick it on now.
So you can see your look. Looks a lot better, especially when the sun's on it as well. Bonnet's gone as well. Oh, so it's just the interior we need to do on that. Now let's get back to Jack and his VXR booge. I just went through your smoke.
Did you?
Yeah.
Did it look good?
Look like I want stars in their eyes. Please tell me that's your shoes making that creaking noise.
Nope.
Jeff, have you even put that on right?
Fuck knows. We'll soon find out. I haven't stuck it down yet.
Yeah, that's straight. There you go. You're alright. You're good. But that's been changed now. When Jack moves his hand.
No.
Move it. There we go. You've seen it for about 3 seconds. We may wrap some of the interior bits on Jack's car as well now. We may also start stripping a few bits out mine, but we'll see what happens with this video.
If you like this video, make sure you subscribe and check out our Instagram for daily content.